Hi, I want to share with you my own experience, the best platform in the best CRM software category. Because there are so many options on the market, we researched and has analyzed many of the leading platforms. We came up with the best choice after considering several factors, including the cost of each CRM. Keep watching to learn more about the essential thing to consider when choosing CRM software. Also, press subscribe to our channel and press like.
In today's fast-paced digital world, managing customer relationships efficiently is key to any business's success. Customer relationship management CRM systems have become indispensable tools for companies of all sizes, helping streamline processes, boost sales, and foster long-lasting client relationships. Among the top CRM solutions, Creatio CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and SAP CRM stand out for their versatility, functionality, and potential to transform your business. In this detailed guide, we'll dive deep into the unique features and capabilities of each CRM system, explore how they can meet different business needs, and help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your company. Whether you're a startup or a global enterprise, there's a CRM system designed just for you. Let's explore how each of these platforms can revolutionize your customer relationship management processes and propel your business forward. Creatio CRM is much more than just a CRM system. It's an all-in-one platform designed to automate business processes and enhance operational efficiency across sales, marketing, and customer service. Known for its user-friendly interface, powerful automation tools, and infinite customization capabilities, Creatio CRM is the perfect choice for businesses looking to stay agile and responsive in a rapidly evolving market. Creatio's standout feature is its Business Process Management BPM tool, which allows users to automate and customize their business workflows effortlessly. By automating routine tasks, businesses can focus more on strategic initiatives, driving productivity and efficiency. Creatio has been designed with ease of use in mind. Even users with minimal technical knowledge can get up and running quickly, making it a perfect solution for companies looking for an easy-to-adopt CRM platform. Integrations are crucial for maintaining a seamless flow of information across systems. Creatio CRM offers native integrations with various platforms, including ERP systems, marketing tools, and other CRMs, enabling businesses to operate in a cohesive digital ecosystem. Creatio leverages artificial intelligence to deliver actionable insights that help businesses predict sales trends, identify customer behavior patterns, and automate decision-making processes. One of the reasons Creatio is so popular is its versatility. Whether you're in healthcare, financial services, retail, or any other industry, Creatio can be customized to meet the specific needs of your business. This flexibility makes it a top choice for companies of all sizes. By automating time-consuming tasks, Creatio allows businesses to reduce operational costs while boosting overall productivity. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Creatio scales with your business, allowing you to add more features and users as your needs grow. Creatio CRM gives you access to real-time insights into your customer relationships, helping you make informed decisions quickly. If your company is looking for a user-friendly, highly customizable, and cost-efficient CRM solution, Creatio should be at the top of your list. The platform's robust automation tools, combined with its intuitive interface, make it ideal for companies looking to streamline operations and increase productivity. As part of the Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft Dynamics CRM offers businesses a powerful and flexible solution for managing customer relationships, sales, marketing, and service activities. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Dynamics CRM can be fully customized to meet the unique needs of your organization. Microsoft Dynamics CRM integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products such as Office 365, Teams, Power BI, and Azure, creating a unified platform for managing all aspects of your business. With Dynamics CRM, you can harness the power of AI-driven analytics and advanced reporting tools. This helps businesses track key performance indicators, forecast sales, and gain insights into customer behavior and trends. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, Dynamics CRM is highly customizable. The platform allows you to tailor workflows, reports, and dashboards to fit your specific business needs. Microsoft Dynamics CRM offers powerful mobile applications that allow your team to stay connected with clients from anywhere. The system is optimized for both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring full functionality no matter where you are. With Dynamics CRM, all customer data is stored in a single unified system, giving you a complete view of each customer interaction across multiple channels. Dynamics CRM offers tools for automating email marketing, campaign management, and lead scoring, ensuring that your marketing efforts are always aligned with your sales goals. The platform includes intelligent bots and AI-driven solutions to help businesses automate customer service, resolve issues quickly, and deliver a seamless customer experience. If your business relies on the Microsoft ecosystem, or you need a CRM that can handle advanced analytics, AI-driven automation, and scalable customization, Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a powerful solution that can grow with your organization. SAP is a name that resonates with enterprise-level businesses. SAP CRM, part of the larger SAP ecosystem, offers businesses a comprehensive suite of tools for managing customer relationships across sales, marketing, and service. SAP CRM is built for organizations that need a highly customizable and scalable solution to handle complex business processes and massive data volumes. SAP CRM offers real-time data processing and analytics, giving businesses a deep understanding of customer behaviors, preferences, and purchasing trends. This enables organizations to make data-driven decisions and deliver personalized customer experiences. SAP CRM integrates effortlessly with other SAP ERP modules, allowing businesses to manage customer data alongside financials, supply chain, and human resources. This end-to-end integration ensures that all aspects of the business are aligned. SAP CRM supports multi-channel communication, enabling businesses to interact with customers via email, phone, social media, chat, and even mobile applications, providing a consistent customer experience across all channels. SAP CRM is specifically designed to meet the needs of large organizations with complex workflows and high customer volume. It can be tailored to accommodate intricate business processes, multiple departments, and diverse customer segments. With powerful analytics tools, SAP CRM allows businesses to track customer data in real time, helping them respond quickly to customer needs and market changes. SAP CRM provides tools for managing the entire customer lifecycle, from lead generation to post-sale service and support. SAP CRM automates marketing campaigns, lead management, and sales forecasting, ensuring that your teams are always in sync. SAP CRM is ideal for large businesses or enterprises that need a comprehensive solution capable of handling complex workflows, integrating with multiple departments, and delivering real-time customer insights. If your business is growing fast and you need a CRM that can keep pace, SAP CRM is the go-to solution. When selecting a CRM, it's important to consider the size of your business, the complexity of your workflows, and your integration needs. Creatio CRM is perfect for companies that need a user-friendly platform with powerful automation tools. Microsoft Dynamics CRM is ideal for businesses already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, providing robust analytics and deep integration capabilities. SAP CRM is the clear choice for large enterprises that require a scalable, end-to-end solution for managing customer relationships and business processes. Whichever CRM system you choose, each of these platforms offers the potential to transform your business, enhance customer relationships, and drive sustainable growth. Ready to dive deeper into the world of CRM systems? Don't miss out on in-depth videos that cover everything you need to know about CRM software and how to make the right choice for your business. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for expert tips, reviews, and insights on the latest business technologies that will take your company to the next level.